Welcome to Dr. Suman application. This application is basically designed for sample testing in water concentration. After installation, user have to give permission to access the camera. After that, user have to go through to the sample, and here user can add variant. For example, I'm adding a variant named chlorine. On adding variant, I have to click on this variant named chlorine. So here I can add ppm value for this variant. For suppose I am adding here 0.1 and clicking on submit button. So here it is showing me please click image. So I have to click the image also, so I am clicking on image. Here I have clicked the image. Now I am clicking on submit button. If user wants to add some more sample values for this variant, so again user have to click on chlorine, and user can add multiple sample values with the picture, and click on submit button. And on clicking chlorine, here user can see all the sample values. Here I have clicked two pictures and got two samples, sample 0 where concentration is 41.5% and ppm value is 0.1, and sample 1, here concentration is 39.7% and ppm value is 0.2. So again I am moving forward to the test tab, where it will pick the ppm value. I have to click the picture there, and after that it will pick the ppm value from these values, which will be the nearest value to the picture. So for example, I'm going to the test tab. I have clicked on test. I have clicked on this variant list where I have added the variant chlorine. So here I cannot show any ppm value right now because I have not chosen an image, so I'm choosing a image. Here you can see the ppm value is 0.2. 0.2 I have already added in the sample value of chlorine in the sample screen, so this value is closer to this picture, so it is showing here. Thank you.